Same again. We're up, ready for breakfast, but Matthew is still asleep, and it's getting a bit annoying now that we can't wake him up. So yesterday was the water. Day one was the fanfare, and now today we have rubber ducks. So let's see what effect we can have with this. Just need to change hands. And so, Matthew. Here we are in Hot Shots. And in here we have the bowling, we have pool, we have a bar. It's also got lots of screens showing sports. We also have a few amusement arcades around here, some typical racing games. Practicing for the big day of golf tomorrow. I mean, there's going to be the worship leader, the service leader, head-to-head battle, just to see who's better at golf and putting. So obviously Mr. Cat's having a bit of practice here. Shall we see how he's doing?
So I'm leading some worship with the 11 to 14s. It went really well. Really excited. That age group does just excite me in worship. I think it's going to be the future. I'm just really, really passionate about that age group and about the other age group of 15 to 18 as well.
Yeah, boy!
Okay, so last night we had the competition in the black hole in the water splash area. Bit of fun, but we only had 2 rounds, which means it was a draw against worship leader versus service leader. That's it, thank you.
1-1.
1-0. Matt did it in time of 9.4 and I managed in 9.7, so it was nice and tight, and we did actually see one guy that as he went down he took 28 seconds. His excuse was he got stuck.
Initially, my 9.49 was with Simon getting a
12.4.
12.4.
My first time on the black hole.
And then I got a 10.11 when he got his 9.
Yes. But there we go. But 1-0, it's a draw. We can't argue with that.
It's a draw.